Hi mga ka-UVG, ako ulit. Kamusta kayo dyan? So, tingnan natin kung anong update sa'yo. Maraming salamat po pala new subscriber at saka returning subscribers na ng mga likers, commentators. Thank you so much po. Okay, so tingnan natin kung anong update sa'yo, Virgo. Ooh, Queen of Pentacles, Virgo. All about the bag. Pero tingnan muna natin. Balasahin ko muna. Anong update sa ating collective? UVG collective. Don't shoot the messenger po. Okay. So, take out which resonate po. Huwag pipilitin kung hindi po fitin. Okay. Baka pag-aari ng iba. Okay. So, tingnan natin. Wala po tayong gender sa energy. Okay. So, Seven of Swords. Ang Seven of Swords, depende sa kapartner niyang card. Pero titignan natin. Sometimes it can represent strategically in a good way. But majority, stealing, lying, cheating kind of card. Depende din sa kasunod niya. Okay. Three of Swords. Virgo, anyari? Queen of Cups. Merong heartbroken dito. The World card ending. I think, ito na naman tayo eh. Tell me more. The Lovers. The Moon card. Love reading na naman to for sure. Four of Swords. Two of Cups. Just colored. Ten of Swords. Stabbing in the back. Very clear, Virgo. Wala na akong ibang sasabihin pa. Meron someone dito na nagdesisyon. Okay. I think aware kung sino man ang connected sa Virgo, kung ano man ang status mo when it comes to relationship. Para po sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po, okay? Sa mga kung okay naman po relationship nyo, then you can scroll. Dami po dyan, okay? Pero itong reading na to is specific for Virgo na may pinagdadaanan, okay? With the stabbing in the back is being here, Virgo. Tsaka meron tayong world card at the bottom of the deck. The Lovers at saka Two of Cups, the Moon card. Merong cheating na nangyari dito, Seven of Swords tsaka Ten of Swords. Itong dalawa to, stealing, lying, cheating, you name it. Together with the Three of Swords. Three of Swords is, you know better, 3 to the 4 of Swords. So, sa Seven of Swords, Three of Swords, merong alam niya dito kung ano ang ginagawa niya with the Queen of Cups. And the Seven of Swords, hindi ko alam kung ikaw sa part mo or sa part ng taong connected sa'yo. But I think the connection is there. But with the World card, I think it's ending with the Ten of Swords, Virgo. So, ang pinakamagandang i-spread ko muna lahat para makita natin. But with the Four of Swords is being healing, contemplating, meditating, I think. Pag nagme-meditate ka kasi yung intuition mo is na-highlights. Okay, sayang to. Merong sayang or nanghihinayang. Okay, kasi sa mga past action, parang Yuri Pochuso. Ibig ko sabihin, siguro dati, or maybe, yung mga bad action niya before, or maybe ikaw, nagresulta ng ending na hindi ini-expect. Okay, kasi iniisip siguro laging nandyan or um, forever na. Alam mo ba yun? Forever na with the lovers and the two of cups. But ang the lovers kasi is decision making din eh. Either another relationship to another yung important sa'yo. Yung para bagang maybe work or yourself. Gets mo ko. But with the moon card is hidden, this is definitely another relationship. Virgo, if you are good, kung okay ka naman sa relationship mo ngayon, then you're good. Hindi to para sa iyo. Ito lang po ay exclusive sa mga hindi naman exclusive. Specific, hindi naman specific. Parang siguro majority of you lovers and the two of cups, ang sakit, nakakapanghinayang. Okay. Kasi nandun ang lying, cheating, stealing eh. Hindi ko alam kung sino nag-steal dito. Okay. Nandun yung genuine. Genuine. Yung pagka-real ng relationship with the two of cups. Okay. Pero hindi ko alam kung one-sided. Ay, hindi ito one-sided. Kasi Queen of Cups, tsaka Two of Cups. I don't know. Clarify ko. Clarify the Two of Cups here. Five of Cups. And one-sided nga. Ibig sabihin, yung another person is giving more than the another person. Kumbaga, mas maraming na-i-offer ang another person kaysa sa another person. Okay, tapos ganun pa yung ginawa. Nag-steal, nag-lie, nag-cheat. Yun nga yung sinasabi, abuso. Okay. So, kasi sa una pa lang ng relationship, tinolerate na. Kaya yan, umabuso. Okay. Naging masyado vulnerable yung another person. Kaya yung another person is sinamantala. Pero nasa huli ang pagsisisi with the Five of Cups. Okay. The Star. Hoping, wishing, anxiety. Yan, kasi, okay, so meron ditong nagde-desire or nagwi-wish, wishful thinking, umaasa na maayos pa with the Star card. Star card is a healing card, hoping card. With the Nine of Swords, stress na talaga. Hit rock bottom na. Nine of Swords to the Ten of Swords. So, ibig sabihin, umabot na sa punto na nakabuang na ba? Nakakasira na ng bait. Okay. Kasi naman sa action niya before, hindi ko alam kung sino kinakausap ko dito, maybe ikaw or another person na connected sa'yo, pero this energy is definitely ang laki ng pagsisisi with the Five of Cups. Very regretful energy. Ang ganda dito ng flow, Two of Cups, the Lovers, Queen of Cups. Perfect sana. Kasi yung flaws nyo sa bawat isa is na-consider ng another person. Pero kung one-sided ang relationship, kasi mas, ano ba yun, malakas ang kutob nung isa. I mean, malakas yung feeling nung isa na, ay, nandyan lang siya. Ay, paulit-ulit ba with the Ten of Swords? Over and over and over and over. Maki mo, 10 ang stabbing in the back dito. Tingnan mo naman yan. Tingnan mo yung imagery nito. Bumagsak siya pero hindi siya patay dahil. Okay. Ibig sabihin, lesson learned. With the Ten of Swords, this is a cycle. Okay, so kasi 10 tolerate, kaya naging 10. Umabot sa 9 hanggang sa 10. Ten of Swords. Swords is all about thoughts. Nagsimula ka sa Seven of Swords, okay. Actually, meron ka na ng nararamdaman before or the another person is may nararamdaman na before na meron ng stealing, lying, cheating na nangyayari dito. Tapos bumagsak sa puro swords, actually. Puro swords ang nasa lapag natin. Ilang swords ang nandito? Seven of Swords, Three of Swords, Four of Swords, Nine of Swords, Ten of Swords. Saan ka pa? Oh. Ang cups dito, ilan lang? Queen of Cups, Five of Cups. The Moon card pa. Oh. Kung ikaw ang Virgo na nanonood lagi ng tarot, alam mo kung anong point out ko dito. Ace of Pentacles, new opportunity. Bakit ka magdidwell sa past? Okay, kung alam mo naman ang hatid sa'yo is like, dang, sakit ng ulo. Pero I think you need to go through the situation, Virgo. Bakit? Kasi it needs to happen. I think kailangan mo rin as for requirements kung gusto mo magkaroon ng strong character when it comes to relationship. Baka in the second time around na magka-relationship ka, expert ka na. O, di ba? So, everything happens for a reason. So, kung ano man ang pinagdadaanan mong sakit ngayon with the Three of Swords or the another person's energy, I think lesson learned with the Ten of Swords. So, okay, pero still hoping pa rin na ma-reset dito. May nagdi-desire pa rin with the with the Lover's card and the Star card. May nagdi-desire pa rin na ayusin, nai-stress out na pero hindi alam kung ano magiging reaction mo. Merong new beginning dito or maybe ikaw ay nagsimula na ng new beginning some other place. Hindi ko alam kung sa sarili mo or another relationship. Pero I think another relationship kasi with the lovers. The lovers card is the decision making here. Another relationship to another relationship. Sometimes it can represent na sa sarili mo lang. Pinili mo yung sarili mo or yung trabaho mo kasi workaholic ka. But in this case, in this spread, I think another relationship to kasi with the moon guard, naka-hidden. Ibig sabihin, kailangan mong mag-cut or another person required sa kanyang isa lang with the with the lover's card. Kung you are, dito na naman yung world card, oh. Kung ikaw ang Virgo na connected na with someone, already connected na, gets mo ko, tapos ikaw on the another hand, connected ka na rin, but in some point, messy, complicated, tapos, gets mo ko, Virgo. Both of you is merong kanya-kanyang problema when it comes to relationship and then all of a sudden nagkaroon kayo ng zing, parang nag-zing kayong dalawa, nag-create kayo ng memories na ang hirap kalimutan dito with the Ten of Swords at saka Seven of Swords. Ang hirap kalimutan kasi hindi mo papaabutin sa lolokohin ka. Okay, kung hindi mo mahal. Okay, with the World card, I think there is an ending in order to begin new one. Nag-reset kayo ng paulit-ulit. Reset, 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 reset. Pero I think it's not going anywhere kasi one-sided with the Queen of Cups, Two of Cups here. Ang realization ng another person is late reaction siya. Kumbaga, andun yung love, kaya niyang sabayan ka or kaya equal give and take ang the lover's card ay ang Two of Cups eh. So, you pour in his cup or you pour in her cup, parehas kayong dalawa nagbibigayan. Pero in some point, parang sumobra or below the belt na ang ginagawa ng another person kasi with the Seven of Swords is very sneaky. Stopping behind, parang gets mo ko. Pero may nag-hoping pa rin dito. May nag-heal na with the Four of Swords, healing. Three of Swords nasa healing process pero still there may kirot pa rin. Gets mo ko, but with the Five of Cups, very regretful, gusto magsimula ng panibago or maybe nagsimula ka na somewhere else. Okay, so yun ang hindi ka tanggap-tanggap. Okay, pero we'll see. Tingnan natin. Either way lang to, Virgo. Wag mong itatry, sorry, excuse me. Wag mong itatry na i-fit kung hindi fit sa sitwasyon mo. Maybe it's for someone else. Okay, so tingnan natin. What else? Ano ba yan? Wala ba akong reading na finances and career? Puro na lang ba to? Ang kulit nito kasi kaya minsan nawawalan na akong gana magbasa eh. Kasi paano pasok nitong taong to eh. Hindi ko alam kung sino, kanino energy yan. Baka ikaw to, Virgo, kaya ganito. Dapat pinangalanan ko na lang yung channel ko na love reading eh. Three of Wands, Six of Swords, Peace of Mind, Traveling, Delay. You see the situation in a different perspective, Virgo, or maybe this person, merong travel dito, may hinihintay lang, I think, to see you or to meet you. Ano ba ang Six of Swords? King of Swords, Aguero with the Devil card. Obsessed. Merong obsessed dito. Hindi, nasa sa'yo yan. Kung gusto mo mag-reconcile, meron tayong Three of Pentacles kanina, pay attention. Meron lang delay. Tinitingnan lang ang sitwasyon in a very different perspective. Okay, so, um, I think Virgo, hindi ka nito tatantanan with the devil card. Super attached tong person na to sa'yo even though may separation na kayo ditong nangyari. Bakit ko nasabing separation, Virgo? Kasi with the world card. With the Six of Swords is travel, moving into calmer water. This person is very chaotic, Virgo, all over the place. Okay. Kung inalis mo yung sarili mo sa sitwasyon na ganito, Virgo, congratulations. Okay. Pero nasa sa'yo yan kung babalik ka. Bakit ko nasabing babalik? Kasi itong person na to, gustong magkaroon ng new beginning and it's still hoping. Okay. After all, ng Ten of Swords, Seven of Swords, Three of Swords. Or maybe this person is hurting, Virgo, because you're moving forward. Yun lang, dalawang scenario. Okay, pero merong, and you're being secretive about it. Okay, kung ano man ang relationship status mo. Naka-hide or naka-hidden, hindi mo sinasabi or hindi mo, um, pero nafe-feel niya deep inside. I don't know kung sino kinakausap ko, either ikaw or another person. Okay. But with the hangman, stuck, delay, seeing the situation in a different perspective, Virgo. Nakahilira siya dito at saka pa ganun. Okay, so, with the devil card at saka king of swords, attached tong person na sa'yo. Okay. Or ikaw ang attached into someone. Okay. Mentally, emotionally, spiritually. Meron lang hinihintay dito. So, this person can move forward towards you. Ikaw ang peace nito. Ikaw ang sanctuary niya. Ikaw ang silent sanctuary. Ano ba yan? Ano ba yan, Virgo? Ah, Meron lang delay. Gusto ano nito ng new beginning, healing, the lovers, magdesisyon. Okay, kung makikita mo dyan, attached na attached. Thoughts of you, mentally, emotionally. The lovers at saka the devil, nagtugma na naman yung dalawa. Ang kulit talagang tong energy na to. Kaya minsan, parang yung channel ko, papalitan ko na lang ng love reading para kay Virgo. Eh, yun naman lagi ang nasasambit ko dito eh. Tell me more. What else? Knight of Swords, Six of Wands, at saka the Chariot. Travel, definitely a travel. Merong successful um, outcome dito. Public eye. Okay. Everybody knows. Okay. Kung saan, anong gustong mangyari ng person na to. Bakit ko sinabing everybody knows? Maybe relatives lang niya or kung sino man. This person is still attached. Attached pa rin siya sa'yo, Virgo. And mag-rush in ng communication to. May tatawag lang bigla, may mag-message lang bigla na nasa biyaya ko or surprise visit kind of energy. Okay, so it's up to you, Virgo. Nasa sa'yo yan. Kung paano mo i-handle ang situation, I think you're good enough to handle some kind of situation like this. Lalo na alam mo na kilala mo na yung tao, you know, head to foot. You know what I mean? Virgo. So, your discernment is gonna be important, Virgo. Kung itong person na to is mag-visit sa'yo or mag-reconcile sa'yo, union din na sinasabi kasi with the Two of Cups, union card. So, kung magre-reconcile tong person na to at saka sasabihin niyang nagsisisi na ako, alam ko kung ano yung mga ginawa kong kalokohan. Actually, wala pa akong nakikitang apology dito, but in some point, this person is feeling sorry about the situation, about the action. Okay, kung ano man ang nangyaring fallout sa inyong relationship, hindi ko alam kung ano ka, makakarinig ka ng mga words specifically galing sa bibig niya na or baka ikaw, specifically na hindi ikaw lang. Alam mo naman yung words na yan, parang immune ka na or something, but there is some sincerity I can see it. Okay. Yung sincerity ng sinasabi niyang ikaw lang, I think ikaw nga lang, pero but in some point, meron siyang mga habit or action dito na hindi niya rin mapipigilan sometimes. You know what I mean? Ah, kung gusto niyang ibalik ang pagmamahal mo dito or kung how you care, how you love, how you energetically like before, I think papantayan niya na ulit yun. I mean, papantayan or tutumbasan niya na ng mas higit pa nung deserve mo. Okay, pero nung nasa relationship pa kayo, wala pang ano, ah, nasa relationship pa kayo, I think taking for granted ang nangyari dito. Okay. Pero alam niyang nandiyan ka, nagmamahal kayo, mahal ka niya. Pero sa bagay, hindi mo masasabing mahal kung nag-cheat eh, or nagsisinungaling, 'di ba? So this person is, it will come back around, Virgo. Okay. So ma-urge ka talaga mag-make ng decision or this person, both of you. Okay, so there is a travel coming towards you. Pay attention, Virgo. Baka may magpa-pop out lang or matatawag or magme-message na I'm traveling, I'm coming kind of energy. Okay. So baka pwede ka, o available ka, may time ka. Kita tayo, ganun kind of energy. Reconciliation, tsaka union is nasa lapag. So, what else? Yung communication na to, pay attention Virgo kasi out of out of excitement ang communication na to. Pag excited ka, magmamambiling ka, ibig ko sabihin para baga mauutal-utal ka. Kasi bakit? This person, hindi ko alam kung nag-say yes ka dito na makipag-reconcile, pero hindi ko alam kung anong intention mo. But this person is very happy kasi in some point sinagot mo. Pero ang masasabi ko lang na warning sa'yo is this person attached na attached siya sa thoughts of you na you're moving somewhere without this person. So, use your own discernment, Virgo. I'm just a messenger, don't shoot me. So, sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better luck next time po. Okay, sa mga makaka-resonate, thank you po in advance. So, let's see. Last 3 cards. Queen of Pentacles. Lumabas na to kanina. The High Priest. Do you know better? Okay. So, pay attention pa ng observation mo is highlights dito, Virgo. The way this person talks, move, lahat ng action niya. I think ika-characterize mo yung person sa action, not sa words. Kasi I think sa words dala ka na. Okay, so with the High Priest and the Queen of Pentacles, ika-characterize mo siya sa action niya. Hindi sa words, I think hindi ka okay, fine, nandun na yung nag-effort siya na to see you, but at the end of the day, ang words is not that important kasi energy doesn't lie. Ang energy or character niya ang kailangan mo. I think yun ang mapapansin mo. Hindi, ini-inform lang kita, pero I think it will come. Mararamdaman mo na ay, hindi na ako naniniwala sa sinasabi niya. So, action na lang ako titingin. Let me know in the comment below kung meron kang energy na mararamdaman, maaaring nangyari na, mangyayari pa lang, or kasalukuyang nangyayari. Just let me know. Okay. So, yun ang nakikita ko dito, Virgo. So, nasa sayo pa rin yan. Ikaw ang magdadala ng sitwasyon. So, you know better. With the High Priest, you're good enough to vibrate. Para kang, lie detector. Kasi meron siyang sinasabi, sweet talker. Okay. With the Knight of Swords. Together with the Six of Wands. Oh, okay. Ikaw lang. Ganito. You know better, Virgo, with the High Priest. Ang sweet talker, kilala mo na to from head to foot. Alam mo na kung anong susunod na lalabas sa bibig niya. So, it's up to you. Oh, yun ang pinaka-total na masasabi ko lang. Sa mga hindi makaka-resonate, better lang next time. Para lang to sa mga Virgo na may pinagdadaanan. Okay, so let's see. Hierophant guard. Itong dalawa talaga, pag nag-partner talaga, Hierophant at saka High Priest. Okay. You have to stick into your intuition, Virgo. I think you need to believe what your intuition is saying. Bakit siya ang kakampi mo? Ang High Priest ang kakampi mo dito. Vibrationally, energetically. Okay. I-feel mo anong intention ng person na to. Ikaw lang makakalam. Hindi ko pwedeng isiwalat sa'yo dito yan. I think i-discover mo yan sa sarili mo. Yun lang ang masasabi ko. So with the Magician card, you have all the tools. Nasa iyo lahat ng tools. Bibigyan ka ng strength, knowledge, wisdom sa sitwasyon para ma-decipher mo ano ang intention ng person to kung para sa'yo ba to in a long term, long run, till death do us part. Pero kung hindi, I think with the King of Swords cut off, like, no second guessing, hindi ka magdadalawang isip. Cut off ang person na to pag ang dala niya is like only bullshit. Okay, so tingnan natin kung anong advice. Para po sa mga hindi maka-resonate, better luck next time po So let's see. What is the advice for my Virgo, please? Ako, wala naman ako sa posisyon na mag-advise ng kahit ano-ano. So, ang inaano ko lang is yung message is may deliver sa inyo. Okay, let's see. What is the advice for my Virgo here? Hindi ko alam kung nasa retrograde tayo ngayong ano. Okay, kasi people is resurfacing, especially from the past. Hindi lang sa collective nangyayari. Okay, so kung ang retrograde magpo-full moon sa August, so pay attention. Lahat ng mga emotion is matitrigger regarding from the past. Lahat ng mga past is mag-resurface lahat sila. Iti-trigger yung emotion mo. Full moon is on August, hindi ko lang alam specifically kung kailan. Pero lahat ng mga emotions na naitago sa closet, kailangan ng ilabas yun. Gets mo? Kailangan ng closure. Final closure. Yun ang kaya this July, decluttering, yung sinasabi kong mga general cleaning, spiritually, mentally, tsaka emotionally, ang minimin ko. Okay, so kaya siguro hindi na tayo magtataka kung bakit may mga past person na trigger ngayong month or recently. Just let me know. Kasi hindi ko, sinabi ko retrograde, hindi ko lang sure. Pero i-make sure ko mamaya at titignan ko. Hindi ko lang na-check. So, work through your fears, Virgo. Kung skeptical ka ba when it comes to this person, I think your intuition is telling you something. Meron ditong something na talagang matakot ka kasi with the devil card baka yung toxicity, ang relationship kasi ng one-sided lang is ang hirap i-workout. Pero kung iniisip niya dito na makikipag-isa siya, ipabalance niya na hindi na one-sided, two-sided na balance na, nandun naman yung devil card niya. So, ibig sabihin meron siyang addiction dito or gets mo. And with expect some powerful change dito, Virgo. Expect some powerful change and the personal issues reaches resolution. Okay, so kung ano man ang mga issue mo na nade-trigger or kung ano, it will come to pass, Virgo. So, expect some powerful change. As I said, merong full moon na mangyayari or magaganap. Kung ano man ang ritual na meron ka, do it. Send intention kung anong gusto mong i-manifest with the Magician card kanina. You have all the tools, actually. And you and your loved ones are safe. Okay, so kung natitrigger man ang pag-aalala mo sa pamilya mo, you and your loved ones are safe. Huwag kang mag-alala. Sila are safe. Divinely guided ka naman kung anong gusto mong desire para sa kanila. So, tingnan natin kung ano ang angel message number. Okay. Tingnan natin. Meron kang 9 queen, ancestor, mga pass away, middle age. King and queen, baka lolo, lola na nag-pass away. So, 946. Google mo siya, angel message na 946. Meron kang mensahe dyan, baka makaresonate sa sitwasyon mo. So, this is what I have for you, Virgo. Thank you for being here. Thank you for watching. See you on the next one. Bye for now.